Thank you for visiting Titus Restoration. I'm Melinda Evans. My husband Phil and I are proud to own and operate Titus Restoration Services. This video illustrates the Titus hybrid polished concrete process for large warehouses or manufacturing plants. At Titus Restoration, we are large enough to perform your projects nationwide, yet small enough to give you the individual attention you deserve. Hybrid polished concrete is designed for any facility looking for a cost-effective, low-maintenance solution for improving the condition of their floor. Titus is properly equipped to handle a wide variety of your concrete floor restoration needs, including steel shot blasting for paint removal, tile and floor topping removal, control joint repair, concrete resurfacing, grinding, and concrete polishing. Bolt heads or other protrusions will be removed prior to wet grinding. Once polyurea is installed and bolt heads or other protrusions are removed, Titus will begin the wet grinding process. If the customer desires control joint repair, Titus will perform this work prior to wet grinding. This process is done by cleaning out the control joints with a saw cutting machine attached to a vacuum. Titus will then fill the joints full depth with a fast-drying polyurea joint sealant. After filling the control joints, the excess joint filler is then shaved off the floor. Titus performs its entire concrete grinding process wet, which eliminates the creation of respirable silica dust in the atmosphere and protects the building from the contamination of silica dust, which can cause the incurable occupational disease silicosis. Wet concrete grinding is a strict Titus policy to eliminate the threat of silicosis. For larger jobs, Titus has a propane-operated ride-on grinder polisher. This grinder has a 50-inch grinding span. One man can grind and recover slurry in large areas quickly and economically. For other jobs, Titus has walk-behind grinders. These grinders have a 25 to 32-inch cutting path and are propane-operated, eliminating the need for electrical cords or a vacuum hose. They have to be used in conjunction with an auto scrubber to recover concrete slurry, making this a two-man operation. Titus will proceed with the hybrid polishing using varying grits of diamond polishing pads to create a visible shine on the floor. In between the wet grinding steps and the concrete polishing, the spent water from the grinding operations, called concrete slurry, is picked up by auto scrubbers. There are two options for disposing of the concrete slurry. It is either disposed of as directed by the customer, or the customer may contract Titus to handle the disposal in accordance with state and federal laws. When the floor begins to shine, Titus will begin an application of its proprietary brand of lithium silicate and silane fortified densifier. The densifier treatment will harden, seal, and dust-proof the concrete surface. Perfect. After the densification process, Titus will apply its proprietary brand of polymer-enhanced, lithium-based stain protection. This treatment bonds with the surface to create stain resistance and extends the life of the concrete by making it tolerable to heavy traffic. The final procedure on the floor will be to burnish the stain protection into the surface. The floor is ready for use immediately after the burnishing is complete. Titus offers you flooring restoration projects that exceed your expectations. If you have any questions or if you would like to request a quote for your concrete restoration project, please contact Titus Restoration at 678-494-6893 or email us at sales@titusrestoration.com. We thank you for watching and look forward to serving you.